Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if LENOVO Tab P12 comes with a USB cable inside of the box. Let's open the box of LENOVO Tab P12. And the first thing we see is the tablet. We can take it out. Then on the right side you get this box with a charging brick and a charging cable. That cable is USB-A to USB-C, and that's all inside of the box. So you get the charging cable. Then here are more things like a pencil replacement tips, quick start guide, and more, like SD card tray opener. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.